Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another interview of the interview series with Presidents and Secretaries of the Month of Rotract in RID 3220. So, today we are here with Rotractor Shazmina Jawahir from the Rotract Club of Kandy, who was the Secretary of the Month in the month of November 2024. So, Rotractor Shazmina, first of all, many congratulations from all of us. And how do you feel about this achievement?
Thank you so much. And it feels good. It feels good to be appreciated for the work you do. And it encourages to do more of what you've been doing all this life.
Definitely. And so, what do you think that you might have done differently from your peers to be recognized in this month and to be highlighted?
I don't think there's too much of a difference. But yes, I am guessing that I might have done better in terms of all the reportings, all the submissions that as secretaries we have to keep doing every month. So I think I might have maintained deadlines and done a better job, I guess.
Amazing to hear. And so, in that month, Rutar Shazmina, what project or projects do you think that your club did might have reinforced this award to get to you?
All right. So, talking about the month of November, we had a couple of projects completed. I would highlight one project, which was our blood donation camp, which we did in collaboration with the Blood Bank of Peradeniya Hospital. That was one, I would say, the most highlighting project of that month. And yeah, it was a great initiative. And I think we managed to get 30 plus donors and yeah.
Wonderful to hear. And finally, to do all of this, you definitely need the support from your club. So, what kind of support did you receive from your club members, from your board members, and of course, from your president as well?
Of course. So without the membership, I think can't do anything at all. So starting off with the president, the board members, the general members, all of them. So project chairs especially. So with all of their support, with all the information they gave is what we report as well. So it was all of their contribution as well, which has led me to this appreciation. And yes, I have to thank all of them for their continuous support. They're continuing to do that as well. So thanks to all of them.
Amazing to hear. And congratulations once again. So, and thank you very much for joining with us. And that's all for today. And we will be back with more.